Namaste, good morning. My name is Joyita. I am the principal of Chitrakoota school. 15 years back, I started my journey as a teacher as a Montessorian. And as the day passed, I was thrilled to see my children growing while enjoying their childhood and their education. Now they are all in college. It's a privilege for me to tell that I still think my children are the best children. Yes, I owe it to the Montessori method. Montessori is just not a word, it's just not a methodology. It's a lifelong journey of an individual. It is true that we cannot choose our own religion when we are taking birth. We were told either Hindu or Muslim or Christian. But when we become Montessori, that becomes our religion. Montessori shows us how to love and respect a child, keeping his uniqueness and individuality. And it brings miracle in Montessori environments. But the thing is that we need to believe in this system so much that it almost like we breathe Montessori, we live Montessori, we love Montessori. And same system, same philosophy to be maintained at home also. And that is why we call Take Home Montessori. For a long time, I was thinking, why can't we share our experiences, our journey of Montessori with all of you? And now we have got an opportunity. Saturday on 21st September in Chitrakoota NDH Auditorium, we are having a workshop called Take Home Montessori. Let us come and see the magical world of Montessori, the enormous strength of one word which is Montessori, the beautiful philosophy for holistic development of each child is called Montessori. Come and be with us just to know how beautifully a child can be served both in Montessori House of Children or at home through these philosophies. Thank you. Welcome again.